In our previous video, we focused on subdivision and even used Konnakol to internalize those rhythms. If you haven't watched that one yet, I strongly suggest checking it out first, as it lays the essential foundation for what we're about to do. In this video, we're going to use artificial groupings. This is where we keep a consistent subdivision, like 16th notes for instance, but play accents in groups of 3 or 5 instead of 4, creating the powerful illusion of a new meter. While this isn't a deep dive into odd meters theory, feeling these complex shapes becomes easier once you use Konnakol as your guide. It is the ultimate shortcut to making these patterns feel natural. We'll cover the core theory, the essential accent cycles, and how to apply these two rudiments for incredible feels. By the end of this video, you'll be able to read, speak, and play these complex rhythms with confidence. Let's try the 3-note cycle. This creates an implied 3/4 meter. This pattern resolves after 12 16th notes. Konnakol to use is takida. 16th notes on the click are sung. Takadimi, 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 takita, 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 takita. The 5-note cycle. We're now going to accent groups of 5 notes. This accent pattern will take 20 16th notes to resolve perfectly back to the downbeat. That's exactly 5 quarter notes or 5 beats. TAKADINAGA, 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 ta. The 7-note cycle. We're now going to accent groups of 7 notes. This accent pattern will take 28 16th notes to resolve perfectly back to the downbeat. That's exactly 7 quarter notes or 7 beats. TAKADINAGA, 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 ta. One could string together various artificial note groupings in a musical phrase and use Konnakol accordingly. Using Konnakol to vocalize these changing groupings is the key to execution. Our brain locks onto the syllables, making it easier to ignore the underlying 16th note count of 4 and focus on the current phrase length. We can ensure the notes stay even and the accents land precisely where they should. Rhythmic phrase example over 16th notes. This phrase, 12 notes total, starts with tension and provides release, as it resolves perfectly on the next downbeat, giving a sense of completion. Takita, takadimi, takadimi, takita, takadimi, takadimi, takita, takadimi, takadimi, takita, takadimi, takadimi. The 7/4 cross rhythm. The sequence is 28 notes long, which means over a 4/4 phrase it creates a 7-beat cycle. We start with right hand lead, and once the cycle resolves, we immediately switch to the left hand lead, now playing the exact mirror image of the pattern. In this way, both hands become equally comfortable, setting up the 7/4 cross rhythm and turns the displacement into a seamless, perpetual motion exercise. Takadimi taka, takadimi taka, takadimi taka, takadimi taka, takadimi ta. To bring these concepts into a musical context, I'll play a short piece of my own that applies the rhythmic ideas from this video. The notation is shown below. If this lesson helped you, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more music tutorials, and let me know in the comments what rhythmic topic you'd like to learn next. Keep practicing and most importantly, have fun.